What's good inside it? It's your man Silicon, and in today's video I will be unboxing, reviewing the Samsung Book E30. If you're new here, consider subscribing, hit on the post notification to be notified whenever I post, and comment down below. If you're already part of this family, you know what to do. Make sure you smash the like button, you share this video, and then let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Now with that out of the way, let's get right into the unboxing of this laptop.
So let's see. I will slowly unbox this laptop. So let's take this charger out, and then let me take these things out of it to get hold of this laptop, for real. Man, I just can't wait, to assess what this laptop has, Let's see what they got. Okay, so let's see. So after showing, I'm gonna give y'all a 360 slowly, Okay, so it has the LAN, it has a full-size HDMI, the USB Type A, you have the USB-C. Man, that's cool. Then where you put your headset. So let's see from here. So this laptop has a place where you can hold, to open the laptop app. Yeah, that's the place, Man, I love this laptop. I just can't wait to assess it, for real. So let's see this item. Man, it looks so beautiful. Yeah, for real, guys. So beautiful. So it has the memory card, it has the USB Type A, then the K lock, the cancel lock. So let's see what we have here. We have the HDD hard drive. It comes with 1 terabyte, and the memory 4 gigabytes. Man, that's too small, but it's okay. Okay, so now let's turn on this laptop to see. Man, that was real fast, real quick, man. So this laptop, it has a place where you can add external SSD. So now we're going to we welcome to the main desktop. Yeah, I just set these pictures app, So we're going to take a look at the specs, the full specs. Okay, so while holding the Windows key, press on R, and then you just type the DSDIAC. So you're able to know the full specs and everything, the memory, and everything, the full specs, the Intel, the Core, the i3, right? Man, this ain't bad, So if you need a laptop for your day-to-day activity, like opening of Microsoft Word, for learning and stuff, I think this laptop is okay. And it also has the you can even upgrade it. It has space for everything, SSD for another memory, and you can upgrade up to 32 gigabytes. So man, I think this laptop is cool. It's not for heavy gaming, no, but you can just buy in case you want to you want to use, like for learning and stuff like that, normal things, So you can see here it has 4 gigabytes, and then it's usable. You're gonna only use a 3 gigabyte, right? Yeah, over here. So this laptop ain't bad, I'd give it, I think 8 out of 10, because it has the ability for you to upgrade it, space for SSD. And if you use the SSD, I think it's much better, because SSD, it's way faster than the HD that we have. So if you want this laptop to run mad fast, I think you have to get an SSD, an external one, inside. And then you upgrade it to 32 gigabyte RAM, and then that's it. This laptop comes with the latest keyboard, with the size of the keys being increased whilst maintaining the thin thickness and mobility of its shape. It is made with ultra durable materials, and this makes the keyboard grade highly accurate, with keys 10% larger than the previous Samsung models. And this makes it awesome, for typing. But I'd always go for a normal keyboard though. Now this comes with thin frames and wide screen. The thin edges and wide screen create a great look, as well as an immersive and unrestricted viewing experience. Videos with more colors, brightness, and contrast. Let's do some basic testing here, guys. I will open my file explorer. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Wow, that was fast. Yeah, for real. Even though as a gamer it ain't that fast, but I think it's okay. So let's try and do some 2 more stuff, 3 stuff to see if it's going to slow down or something. So let's open a video here. Oh, we did not find it. Oh, okay. So let's close it and then open another one to see. So let's look at the time that it's going to open. Oh, okay, that's cool. Even though it's slow for me, it's slow, but I think it's okay. For your day-to-day activities like learning and stuff. I think it's okay. And I have more stuff running background as well. I have Filmora, running as well. And Filmora normally it takes a lot of the RAM, and makes computer slow if you're trying to run other stuff when you're using the 4 GB RAM. But I think this one it's okay, guys. For real, it's okay. Yeah, it's worth it. As a gamer, even though it's not okay, it's not that okay for me. But I think it's okay for you to use your daily activities. Not for gaming. No, for gaming, no, you can't. Yeah. Okay, man, that's cool. So far, I'm impressed. Yeah, for real. Hello insiders, here comes the end of my video, and I really want to thank y'all for the maximum support. For y'all who are part of the family, please don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to comment what you think about this laptop, and please do share this video to your friends, to your families. I really appreciate that. To those that are new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And you shouldn't forget as well to hit on the post notification to be notified anytime I post a new video. I really appreciate that. It's Silicon Insider signing out.